We are in South Florida, US. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna turn it on my speaker, go and do my kayaking. That's helped me keep my body in good shape. Also bicycle and go to the gym, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be like really healthy guy. That bag here, that's waterproof bag. I can put my mobile phone, speaker, and also water. This little pocket right here, waterproof. Put my phone here. How I said, the ocean have to be quiet. Like today is really nice, but someday you cannot do what I'm doing right now. You know what I'm saying? Unless if you are not at the ocean. You see? Yeah, just like that. Then put it back here.
He's a phone call to his parents. He's a Bible by the bed. He's the t-shirt that I'm wearing. He's a song stuck in my head. He's solid and he's steady like this.
I just want to say, for some people who never did kayaking, if you want to go to the ocean, just take a look at the weather. That's all. Like today, I'm feeling really safe. There's no worry about. I had a look at the weather. You see the ocean is quiet. I mean, when the wave is too strong, just don't go. If you're planning kayak at the ocean, at the beach, alright? So maybe if you go at the river or somewhere else, that's fine. But at the ocean, be careful. But if the weather is good, just go. There's no worry about, like, get something to make you safe and comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Get your speaker, get water, and just go like 2 miles, come back. Gonna be 4 miles. Gonna be really nice activity. We are in South Florida right now. God bless us to be here and enjoy my life. All right? Be safe. Good. I love it. That one here, where I am right now, in my backyard, I can have a shower right here, you know what I'm saying? Just, yeah, like, park my kayak right here, or my stand-up right here, you know what I'm saying? And I'm having a shower right here. Oh my God, it's amazing.